Okay, what's up guys? Today in this new video we are going to be learning about how to find a rank. A rank is basically a position. There are two ways to find a rank: descending and ascending. So we're going to find the rank of George. To find the rank of George you have to press equal and then rank. You have to type rank and yeah, you have to type rank and then select. Okay, there's science and math, so we'll find George here. Where is George? Yeah, George. So we're gonna select it in math. We select it in math. We're gonna press comma and then select this, all of this, and press comma again. And either we can pick ascending or descending. Ascending is basically from smallest to largest, and descending is from largest to smallest. So for George, we'll try ascending and we'll press enter. He has 35 rank. Um, so for Anas, we will press to find the rank. For Anas, we'll do descending. To find the rank, we will first press equal, the same thing, rank, everything the same. Yeah. Then we'll select Anas's marks in science this time. We select this and press comma and select the whole thing, and then we press comma again, and this time we'll select descending. So now we press enter. Anas got 25 in descending. So that's all for today guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.